Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel Blushing Papers and thank you so much for watching my videos. Okay, you are heartily welcome in this video. This video is basically vertical painting session. Why? Because it's recorded vertically. Jokes apart, it's just the difference between the normal video and this video is just your screen placement. Every video is placed horizontally, but this is vertically. That's all. Okay, so heading back to our painting, I have chosen less than half part of the paper so that I can create the different backgrounds, the sky part and the road part and the land part. Okay, so because I have dedicated this video to all the beginners out there, so I have also chose the set of beginners. This is the color palette of Domes brand, and I have also used some Camelin student grade watercolor. You can also go with artist set. It's completely your choice. So I'm starting with the wet on dry technique. So here I'm starting with the pink color. With pink I have used upside down darker, so, that means upper part is more darker than the lower part, and it will give a perfect gradient to our painting. I will apply 2 layers of it. Downward part I have used orange color. Please make sure you blend the middle part. The junction should not be appear like it's the different color. Coming to the land part, I have used I have to give the background little darker part so that I can make my grasses visible. So I have used ivory black, a very thin layer of watercolor of ivory black I will choose. Using dabbing technique, I will make clouds. Randomly just dab on your paper on the sky side. It will give a perfect look to the clouds, like to the sky as well. For the clouds, I have used pink color only. So let's do the dabbing technique. Just make this cloud random because the clouds are not very perfectly placed. So just make sure that some clouds you make darker, some lighter. Just you can see here in your screen in my painting. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm making poles. So the pass wala pole I'll make little longer, and the dur wala pole I'll make little shorter to make it more detailistic look and like more realistic look. For that I have used grey color blending up with some ivory black. choosing little darker shade of yellow, I will use to make it branches of the tree. Now, after grabbing my detailer brush, I will use its tips to make the leaves of the tree, basically to make that appear like a tree. Randomly, I will make the bushes here and there so that my painting looked more realistic. Coming to the wires of electric poles, I have just choose that I'll not go very straight, just go little rough because it will give little more realistic look, and just make sure ki you make the wires in the way that it appears like it's this from distance from each other. Mixing these two green sets, I'll make the grasses randomly over this area. Here, just use your tips of the brush and just flow your hands in upward direction. Coming to the road area, we all know that road is grey in color, so I have used grey color, little darker shade of grey. Okay, so why I like watercolor the most is because of its transparency. Here I have played with that only. I have applied a darker shade of grey and then wiped off, and the cotton paper has absorbed its color, and this is looking very beautiful. Blend the area where you feel like blending, and then yeah, it's here. I'll add little more shade of grasses just to make it visible, more thick and ghana types. Now, after making the lines on the road, our painting is done. Okay, so if you are here, then that means you have watched every second of this video and might have enjoyed the process, learned something from this video. So, thank you so much for being with me and share with every of your artist friend and those who loves painting, who wants to learn painting. Please subscribe to the channel because it's completely free of cost. Put on the bell notification and also don't forget to hit like. Hitting like gives me confidence and subscribing also gives me confidence. Sharing gives me more learners. So that's all upon you. Thank you. Until my next video, stay blushy. Subscribe.